I didn't think you'd get rid of me that quickly, did you? No, no, here's another little one on the Fimi Mini 3. Okay, I noticed there's a HDR, and when you did all the updates, it automatically turned that back on. So we're going to see if there's a difference between HDR and not HDR. Just a quick little thing here. Let's get it up in the air. Boom. And there it goes, up to the 2.2 meters or so. There we go. It's a lot better than going up to the 4, I'll tell you. This screen is beautiful. I must admit, I missed using this phone as a screen for a long time. Anyway, we're going to go into here. And if you go into the camera, second one down, HDR, turn it off and watch the coloring. Okay? It's a little darker. So we're going to take a video and see what happens when we go around a little bit. Okay? So, we come down. My head should be just about there. I'm in the bush. There you go. So, let's just turn that HDR back on again and see if it lightens things up in the bush. A little bit. So let's just move over a bit. There we go. There we go. There we go. Okay. So, I go here, click it on, click it off. Darker. Lighter. Darker. Lighter. Darker. Let's try that. Let's go for the video. Here we go. Okay. So, we can come down a bit. Just going to fly around here, but the wind has picked up a little bit. I'm looking for the grass coloring. The grass coloring. So the HDR is off right now. Okay? So we're just going to go around. Have a look at the coloring of the grass. Okay? When we go into the shade, it looks pretty good. Pretty good. And then we're just going to go that way a little bit. See what it's like. Okay? I guess it makes it look nice, but it's not quite that green. Okay? Not quite that green. And we're going over. Over. And up we go. And we're going to go up. Up, 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 up. And we're up to 30. There we go. Now we don't have... Where's the thirds? There's the thirds, okay? Can we change it on the fly? It's off. Can we change it on? No. Okay, let's stop the video. We'll go in. And we'll change it to on. And take a video. And we can look at this and we can compare. Compare the greens. Now to me the greens, the blue sky looks phenomenal. Okay, so I'm just going to stop that video. Go in. I can see half of it on my screen. Actually, take another video. That, to be honest with you, looks better. It looks better. Let's go up. We're at 34. Okay, we're going to go up to 70. And we're going to go, as we go up, we're going to come down with it. We're up to about 70, 80, 85. There we go. So yeah, the coloring does look better. Strong winds. Does look better. I must admit. It's not perfect, but it is better. Anyway, that's HDR. Is there a difference? Yep, I think Fimi's done a pretty good job. Okay, let's turn it around and bring it home. And now we're going to be pointing into the sun pretty soon. But in the sunlight, non-HDR is a little better. And you can see, oh, look at the beautiful lakes over there. Oh my goodness. Awesome. It's just awesome. It really is. Can we get some people like that thirds one thing there? But I'm not seeing the lake at thirds. I'm seeing the water at thirds. There you go. Anyway, enough of that. So if I stop that video, and we go in and have a look. And we go on. Any difference? Off? Yep, on. The shadowing is different, isn't it? Yeah. Take a video. This is on. This is with the HDR on. Hard to say which is good and which is bad. It really is. Okay. Here we go. And we're going to have a look at that. And we're going to stop that video. Go back to HDR. Off. Back there. Video. Yeah, it's hard to say. Hard to say. Get the lighting there. There's less shadowing, I guess, when you put HDR on. But let's go back and look at the other side. Well, that'd be good to look at there. Okay. Stop the video. Look at the sand, or the gravel, pardon me, the gravel pit. So if we go HDR on, HDR off, HDR on, off, on, off. It's tough. It's tough. That's off. Okay. Does look good. Does look good. Yeah. Okay. That's off. I think I'll have to study HDR more. And I remember on the very first Fimis, we didn't use it, only in extreme cases. So I have to remember to keep it off and then just go from there. So if I turn this off now, video, and then I go and turn it on, I should be seeing more. Maybe not. I don't see any difference. Hard to say. It really is, for me anyway. Can somebody else instruct me better? Well, I saw that. Lightens up. Darkens. Lightens. It's HDR on. Bit of a hay fever thingy going on. Okay, let's come down. Where are we? We're just over me, so. Let's return to home. Should be coming that way. Oh, there's a bird. Oh, I see it. There it is. And then we're going to stop that. And we're going to switch it over to non HDR and take it into video. Here it comes. stop it. I couldn't see it and I can't see it above me. Oh, there it is. And it's behind a tree. Okay, if I stop that, can I take a picture of that? Take a picture. Okay. Now, can I go into HDR in a picture? Off. I'm gonna take a picture. So one was on and one was off. Okay, back to the video. And it should be off. It's off. Okay, go. Okay, bring her down. Video. There we go. Okay. Oh, big bird. Big bug. My goodness. Where'd the dogs go? There they are. Oh, scared me to death there. There we go. The Fimi Mini 3. A lot of fun. It's a lot of fun. It's not just, oh, it works, it flies, it comes back. You got to think about things sometimes. You got to be on your toes. You got to think about it. Things are going to happen. It's not absolutely perfect, but that's the fun part about it. I guess it is. I've always had fun flying the Fimis, and the DJIs, yes, they're more of a prosumer version of the same thing. They're more dedicated for work. You know, the really solid job and that. The Fimis and the Hubsons and things like that, they're more for fun, okay? And sometimes a little tricky, and that's half the fun of it. And it keeps wandering. I'll have to tell Fimi about that. Why does your flight controller wander? No idea. You gotta lock it in. Come on, Fimi. You've had 4 or 5 years now. Let's get to it. Okay, that's it. Again, hit the like, hit the subscribe, ring the bell, buy me a coffee. Whatever you feel like, okay? It's a great little drone, and I just thought I'd bring you HDR on and off, on and off. You be the judge. Use it or don't. I don't really know when to use it. I guess you just have to look at it and see how it works. There you go. Till next time, take care. Bye now. See you later.